Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to different types of activities. So let's get started. Say these words with your English voice. Knitting. Knitting. Knitting is to make clothes, etc. by using two long needles to connect wool or another type of thread into joined rows. Hobby. Hobby. A hobby is an activity that you enjoy and do regularly when you are not working. Board games. Board games. Board games are any of many games. For example, chess, in which small pieces are moved around on a board with a pattern on it. Puzzles. Puzzles. This is a game or activity in which you have to put pieces together or answer questions using skill. Jigsaws. Jigsaws. This is a picture stuck onto wood or cardboard and cut into pieces of different shapes that must be joined together correctly to form the picture again. Sewing. Sewing. Sewing is the activity of joining pieces of cloth together or repairing them with a needle and thread. Crochet. Crochet. This is to make clothes and other things using wool and a special needle with a hook curve at one end.